Tagalog ako, hindi ako marunong Bisaya.
Hindi ako marunong Bisaya.
Aw, good man! Si Kuya. Ano yung cellphone mo?
Ano yung cellphone ko? Ito, iPhone.
Ito, iPhone.
What's your answer?
Jose Rizal?
Yes, there we go.
Yeah, bro. Handshake,
Hey,
you know?
Go, bro.
Hey.
Go.
Go, bro. Do you speak Tagalog?
Do you speak Tagalog?
Yeah, I'm speaking Tagalog.
Mag-Tagalog ka na ba talaga?
Tagalog ka na ba talaga?
Yan, bakit You look so yummy.
Say, mahal kita.
Mahal?
Mahal.
Mahal?
Kita.
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 Yeah. That means, I love you. I love you.
How do you say, where are you going?
Where are you going?
Saan ka pupunta?
San?
Saan?
Saan ka
Ka?
pupunta?
Ka?
Pupunta. Pupunta.
Sa puso mo.
Sa puso mo.
Yeah, let me talk to your people.
Yeah, let me talk to your people.
Hey, kamusta na kayo dyan?
Hey, kamusta na kayo dyan?
Dito ako sa ano?
Uy!
Dito ako sa ano?
Hey, what's going on?
What's going on?
Nag-livestream ka?
Yes, I'm on live right now.
Right now.
Oh my God! Sure! Ayabi.
I'm a YouTuber. Y'all say hi on my YouTube.
On my YouTube.
What is your name?
I'll tell you at the end of the
I'll
video.
tell you at the end of the video.
What?
But first,
But first,
you gotta help me speak Tagalog because I'm learning.
Speak Tagalog because I'm
What's
learning.
your name? Ano
Ano?
mo?
Ano pangalan mo?
Ano panggalan mo?
Anong pangalan mo?
Pangalan ko ay Faye.
Panggalan ko ay Faye.
Panggalan?
Did I say something wrong?
Did I say something wrong?
What?
Did I say something wrong?
Did I say something wrong?
What?
Is it what I said wrong?
What I said wrong?
Unsay mo ngalan? No.
It's good?
It's good?
It's good.
Okay.
So
Okay.
Ano pangalan nana?
Saan
What is
ka
your name on
punta?
YouTube?
Kapunta.
To the moon.
Alright, you ask me.
Alright, you ask me.
What?
You ask me where are you
You
going?
ask me where are you going?
Ask me.
Ask me.
Ano pa nalaki? What's your name? Uy, unsa pangalan na ba?
Pangalan ko Faye.
Panggalan ko Faye.
Unsa imong pangalan sa YouTube?
Bisaya yan, teka, Tagalog.
Labis na yung pangalan mo sa YouTube. Para sudali ni mo, kuya. Uy. Ano pangalan?
Tagalog ako, hindi ako marunong Bisaya.
Hindi ako marunong Bisaya.
Aw, good man! Si kuya. Hindi pa English, baka be. Oh my God, ano, blend me, guys.
Sorry na.
Sorry na.
Pare, nag-vlog ka ngayon?
Paano sabihin oo sa Bisaya?
Oo sa Bisaya.
Bisaya? Oo.
Oo din?
Oo din?
Yes.
Yes?
Baliw ka yata eh.
Ano yung cellphone mo?
Ano yung cellphone ko? Ito, iPhone.
Ito, iPhone.
Give me my phone! Uy, Tagalog daw galing siya.
Anong panggalan mo?
Anong panggalan mo?
Panggalan mo. Dinis. Dinis na pangalan niya. Uy, buhay
Ano?
ako.
Nahanap mo na ate?
Nahanap mo na ate?
Yes. Oh my God! Pila-pila pa naman siya. Opo. Bigyan mo kami
Yun,
ng
thank you.
iPhone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hindi, joke lang po.
Ito na, sa'yo na.
Ito na, sa'yo na.
Okay, pakibigay. Punta ka dito sa Philippines. Punta ka dito sa Philippines.
Okay, meron akong tanong.
Okay, meron akong tanong.
Dito.
Huwag kayo lulula.
Huwag kayong lulula.
Nag-content ka ngayon?
Content ako kayo, masasama kayo sa YouTube ko.
Masasama kayo sa YouTube ko.
Boss!
Boss.
Boss.
Pwede pa kaingin ng iPhone? Hingi kami ng iPhone, boss!
Hindi kayo ng iPhone?
Hindi kayo ng iPhone?
Ito, meron ako.
Ito, meron ako.
Ganito. Ipadala mo, boss! Aray ko, tay! Tay! Yung pangalan, Denise!
Ito, meron ako.
Ito, meron ako.
Ito, icon.
Ito,
Ipagkita.
icon.
Gago!
Boss!
Ay, hindi ba to?
Ay, hindi ba to?
Icon to, icon. Ay, icon?
Ay, icon?
Hindi yan iPhone, boss!
Ito, icon.
Hindi yan iPhone! Hindi yan iPhone 11, kuya! iPhone 16! iPhone 14! Uy! Pa.
Meron akong tanong.
Meron akong tanong.
It's good, big!
Ang ganda.
Po?
Sabi ko, ay, nawala na. Nawala, sayang. Good.
Hey, where from?
I'm from the US.
Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
Oh, Philippines.
Oh, Philippines.
Yeah.
What are you doing there?
What are you doing there?
I'm so bored. Where shot? You want a shot?
Oh, no, I'm good.
Oh, no, I'm good.
You healthy living?
I'm good.
Are you healthy living?
Yeah, I'm healthy living.
Yeah, I'm healthy living.
Oh, good,
What about
good.
you?
What about you?
No, I'm vaping, I'm drunk, you know, I'm stressed from
Yeah,
work.
yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta
know?
do healthy
You gotta
living.
do healthy living.
What?
You gotta do healthy
You
living
gotta
so
do
you're not
healthy living
stressed.
so you're not
No,
stressed.
yeah, no.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Casey.
Casey?
Casey.
Yeah.
Nice
Like
to
a
meet
girl,
you, bro.
no?
Nice to meet you, bro.
What's your name?
My name's Faith.
My name's Faye.
Faith?
F-A-Y.
F-A-Y.
Oh,
Yeah.
hey, yeah, bro. Handshake,
Hey,
you know?
Hey,
Go,
so,
go.
Hey.
Go, go.
Go, bro.
So, bro.
Hey.
Yeah,
You look good, huh?
Yeah, you know what I'm
You look
talking about.
good, you look good.
I appreciate you, bro. I
come-
appreciate you.
when
You look
come
good too.
You look good too.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate, man. When you come here in Philippines, you look so yummy.
Oh my God! Wow!
Girl is a lot. You know what I'm saying? Cause you're
Are you
hot
sure?
money.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Yeah, you're so handsome. A lot girls will come for
I gotta
you.
go to the
'cause-
Philippines.
I gotta go to the Philippines then.
Yeah. Try visit
Which part of the Philippines?
Which part of the Philippines?
Mandaluyong.
Manda, what?
But Mandaluyong.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm from Mandaluyong, Manila.
Oh, Manila, the
Oh,
capital.
Manila, the capital.
Yeah. But province is good. Cebu, Boracay, you know.
Yeah,
Vacation, relaxing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I wanna
no.
I wanna go there, but I have difficult for money.
What does unknown
What
mean?
does unknown mean?
Money.
No, you said
No,
difficult
you
for
said difficult
unknown.
for unknown.
Difficult. I'm poor.
Oh.
Oh.
So when I
Yeah.
come there, I
So
gotta
when I
pick
come
you
there,
up
I
and go to
gotta pick you up
Boracay.
and we go to Boracay.
Yeah, you.
I'll pick up Casey
I'll
and we
pick
go
up
to
Casey,
Boracay.
we go to Boracay.
Go with you.
Yeah, you and me.
Yeah, you.
Ooh. I appreciate, man.
Yeah.
But
But first,
You know,
first,
but first, what?
do you
First.
speak Tagalog?
Do you speak Tagalog?
Yeah, I'm speaking Tagalog.
Mag-Tagalog ka lang ba tayo?
Tagalog pala ba tayo? English?
Po! Yan, ba't nagta? Kupal ka! Kupal! Kupal! Ito, nag-English pa ako na.
Kupal ka.
Ito, kupal mo na ito. Kala ko tagay mo bansa ka. Tignan mo, kupal ko. Dahil no. Feeling matalino pa ako dito.
Galing mag-English.
Galing mag-English.
Talagang difficult. Kala mo talaga no?
Pero pupunta pa rin tayo Boracay.
Punta pa rin tayo Boracay.
Home sim. Sama mo lang ako, ya.
Okay.
Okay.
Nag-YouTube ako ngayon.
YouTube ako ngayon. YouTube ako.
Ah, sa YouTube ka?
Oo, nagre-record ako ngayon.
Oo, nagre-record ako ngayon.
Ah, sige, okay lang.
Ba, pwede naman ano yan, parinig.
Ano mo, page, FB page? Sige.
Ito, pay mo sa
Ito,
YouTube.
pay mo sa YouTube.
Pay mo. Ah, pay.
Yeah, mag-shoutout
Google
na kayo.
kaya?
Mag-shoutout na kayo.
Shoutout sa pamilya ko. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Shoutout ka sa pamilya mo. Tawa naman eh. Shoutout. Shoutout pala sa company namin. Nandito kami, stay in. Ang ganda ng content mo. Nakakatalino paglasing.
Nawala tuloy yung tama ni Kuya.
Wala tuloy yung tama ni Kuya.
Nawala.
Ge. Tayo sa Boracay, ha?
Google ka pa din. Oo, ingat kayo. Yung...
Doon nga rin.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, what's going on?
Are you looking for me?
Are you looking for me?
Yeah. No.
You are? You are looking for me?
You are looking for me?
Riz.
Quiz?
Quiz?
Bro. Riz.
Quiz? Like this?
Quiz? Like
Yeah.
this?
Yeah.
Tatagalog ata to eh.
What y'all doing here?
Bro.
What are y'all doing here?
What's that?
What's that?
You're...
Filipino.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Are you speaking Tagalog?
What's that?
What's that?
Language, bro.
Filipinas world.
Oh,
The
the Filipino language?
The Filipino language?
Yeah.
No, I'm Hispanic.
No, I'm Hispanic.
I will teach
I
you.
will teach you.
I'm from
You
Puerto
say
Rico.
we-
I'm from Puerto Rico.
But
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you in Spanish is
Philippines is
Spanish is te
mahal
amo.
kita.
Spanish is te amo.
I love you in
Philippines.
Philippines is
Mahal kita.
mahal kita. Say mahal kita.
Mahal
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 kita.
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 Yeah.
That means I love you.
I love you.
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Yes.
How do you say where
How
are
do you
you
say,
going?
where are you going?
Saan ka pupunta?
San?
San?
Saan ka
Ka?
pupunta?
Ka?
Pupunta. Pupunta.
Sa puso mo.
Sa puso mo.
Pinilunoko mo kami.
Did I say it right?
Hinintay kita. Joke
Did I
lang.
say it right?
Did I say it right?
Oo. Sige.
I have some Filipino friends that taught me
I
that
have some
joke.
Filipino friends that taught me that joke.
Takasin mo nga, di ko marinig.
Wala po. Tanggalin mo yung case.
I said I have some Filipino
I said,
friends.
I have some Filipino friends.
They taught me that joke.
They taught me that joke.
May kaibigan daw.
Okay.
Okay.
I have another one.
I have another one.
Okay, what?
Go.
What?
Ask me again where I'm going.
Ask me again where I'm going.
Ha?
What?
Ask me again.
Ask me again.
San ka
Where
punta?
are you
Saan
going?
ka punta?
What?
San?
Saan?
Saan ako pupunta?
To the moon.
To the moon.
That's all, bro.
Oh, that's old?
No, that's all?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta teach me new ones then.
You gotta teach me new ones then.
Hindi ba?
Ano
You
ba?
gotta teach me a new one.
You gotta teach me a new one.
Ano ba?
I will
Pwede.
teach you one.
Wait. We're thinking.
Nagkaon ka na, love? Kung
Nagkaon ka na, love. It
Love.
means
I heard love.
kumain ka na ba?
Love.
Kumain ka na ba?
I didn't eat yet.
I didn't eat yet.
Kumain
You
ka
know
na ba?
Kumain ka na ba?
Yeah.
Nagkaon ka na, love?
Nagkaon ka love?
Nagkaon ka love?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that? That's Tagalog as well?
That's that Tagalog as well?
Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Oh, you're from Visayas.
Oh, you're from Visayas.
No.
Where are y'all
From
from?
Where
Zambales.
are y'all from?
Luzon.
Luzon. Tama ba?
Luzon, but you guys speak Visaya?
Luzon, but you guys speak Visaya?
Yeah.
Slight.
Trending. The word nagkaon ka na lang.
Oh, it's
It's
trending.
trending.
Viral, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you want one more? Do you want more?
Yeah, give more.
Yeah, give more.
Wait. Jowa ka na ba? Wait.
May jowa ka na ba? Uy, kung ano-ano daw sinasabi.
Do you have... Sino ba yun?
Ko alam.
Oh, is there someone in the phone?
Is there someone in the
Wala ka
phone?
pong pake.
Yeah.
Is that your
We're
friend?
live in
Is that your friend?
TikTok, bro.
Yeah. We live in TikTok.
Oh,
Say
what's going
hi.
on TikTok?
Oh, what's going on TikTok?
Wait lang, bro.
Wait.
How many
Hi,
viewers?
How many viewers?
It's
400.
100K.
400?
Joke, bro.
400?
Yeah.
4 pesos.
Okay.
Okay.
I wanna talk to them.
Only 4
Only
people.
4.
Only 4?
Say hi.
Only 4?
Alright, I'm gonna talk to them.
Alright, I'm gonna talk to them.
Okay. Uy, tutok daw niya siya.
Yeah, let me talk to your
Okay, go.
people.
Yeah, let me talk to your people.
Hey, kamusta na kayo dyan?
Hey, kamusta na kayo dyan?
Dito ako sa...
Uy!
Dito ako sa ano?
Dati niya.
Gagi. Pilipino to? Oo, be.
Halata naman din.
Halata, di ba halata?
Halata? Di ba halata?
Halata po, halata.
Hindi nga.
Halata, kuya. Itim mo.
Taga saan ka sa Pilipinas, kuya?
Taga Luzon.
Taga Luzon.
Wow.
Saan sa Luzon?
In Luzon, I'm from...
Gagirahin ka namin.
In Luzon, I'm from
In
Nueva
Luzon, I'm
Ecija.
from Nueva Ecija.
Nueva Ecija.
Okay.
Yeah. That's where I'm from.
Yeah, that's where I'm from.
I'm Ilocano.
I'm Ilocano.
Uy, Ilocano rin kami.
We're the same.
Ilocano kayo?
Ini-English mo na naman kami, Bi, ha? Niloloko mo kami, ha?
Mag-Ilocano ka nga, kuya.
Ano yung ayatin
Ha?
Ayatin ka.
Ay, ayatin ka.
Aray ko, be. Ba't kailangan mo ng pan?
Nag-YouTube content ako ngayon.
Nag-YouTube content ako ngayon.
Anong name
baka
kaya? Content mo kami
Yeah.
dyan.
Naka-content kayo ngayon. Nahilo nyo ba?
Content kayo ngayon. Nahilo nyo ba?
Ha?
No, kuya?
Naka-record
Drop
kayo
mo
ngayon.
yung name mo sa
Naka-record kayo
YouTube.
ngayon.
Ano name mo sa YouTube?
Ayan, nilagay ko. Famo.
Ayan, nilagay ko. Famo.
Same. Ayun daw, be.
Kuya, wag mo ililipat, kuya.
Hindi ko ililipat.
Hindi ko nilipat.
Promise.
Bi, nagpapakahirap kami mag-English dito.
Kuya.
Kuya, mag-Ilocano ka na lang.
Ilocano na lang, Ilocano.
Haan nga, hindi ako marunong mag-Ilocano.
Hindi ako marunong.
Ano, be? Good. Ano, be?
Nakalive yata siya, tingnan mo nga.
Hindi, be.
Wala, hindi.
Hindi ako na-live yan. Nagko-content ako ngayon.
Pinalo ka na namin, kuya.
Ko-content mo ba kami? Hindi. Charot.
Agyamanak kanyayo.
Ano, kuya?
Kanyayo.
Ha?
Ano, kuya?
Agyamanak kanyayo.
Nagyaman ang kanyayo.
Ano yun?
Ano daw, kuya? Hindi ko maintindihan.
Agyamanak, madiyan mo dyan.
Nagyamanak, madiyan mo dyan.
Maya. Ano yun?
Agyamanak.
Nagyamanak.
Ano? Ano yun?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ito yun.
Swerte.
Thank you daw.
Thank
Thank
you.
you kasi.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Ano nga, hindi nyo.
Mga estudyante ba kayo?
Mga estudyante ba kayo?
Yes,
po.
yes,
Ah,
bro.
anong grade?
Anong grade?
7.
Ay,
Dalawa.
mag-8, mag-8.
Mag-8.
Ako magda-line. Yeah.
Ito 8, ito 9.
Mag-9.
Ito 8, ito 9.
Yeah.
Oo. So part
Yes.
ng ano ko, content ko,
Content ko.
nagbibigay ako ng Gcash sa mga estudyante.
Bigyan ko ng Gcash sa mga estudyante.
Hala!
May Gcash kaya?
Ay, gagi, wala akong Gcash. Wala kaming Gcash.
Nako!
Meron po ako.
Ito lang bibigyan ko.
Yung mama ko.
Ito lang bibigyan ko.
Ako po.
May Gcash yung kuya, ibigay mo na lang din
Ito lang bibigyan ko.
Ito lang bibigyan ko.
Hala! Hindi kami marunong gumawa, kuya eh. Hindi kasi kami nag-scatter.
Bigyan ko na lang siya, tapos paghatian niyo lang.
Tapos paghatian niyo lang.
Okay lang?
Totoo ba yan?
Very much, kuya.
Okay lang?
Opo. Pwede mo.
Okay, ilagay niyo yung number,
Ilagay niyo yung number.
tsaka yung first and last name.
First and last name.
Dito sa ano,
Kuya,
sa OMI.
totoo ba?
Sa Omi.
Totoo!
Wait lang.
Konting blessing lang.
Wait lang, Bia.
Blessing lang.
Importante ito eh.
Tambe.
Charot.
Hindi ako ah.
O sige, go.
Saan ba kayo sa Pinas?
Sa bahay sa Pinas.
Nasa bukid po siya. Kami nasa bayan.
Yeah.
Hindi, saan kayo sa
Saan
Pinas?
saan kayo sa Pinas?
Saan tayo
Saan tayo
Zambales?
Zambales? Yeah.
Sambales.
Sambales.
Okay.
Kuya, wag mo naman kami kidnapin. Kuya, Char.
Ang layo ko sa inyo. Nasa youth ako.
Layo ko sa inyo, nasa youth ako.
Ay, sige.
Ay.
Kuya, lilipad ako dyan.
Sige, sige. Bilisan mo.
Sige, bilisan mo.
Wait lang, kuya.
Wala ka pang passport eh.
Ay, gumawa ko ng passport.
Ay, gumawa ko ng passport.
Ilocano ba dyan sa Sambales?
Ilocano ba dyan sa Sambales?
Opo. Kuya, ano totoo mong pangalan?
Kuya, may maganda ba doon?
Faye nga. Faye. Ba't tinatanong mo?
Wala.
Curious lang kami, kuya. Wait lang,
Kuya, wala mo na lang siya.
Nako, wala na.
Nako, wala na.
Tay.
Ay,
Sayang.
sayang.
So, hindi ibibigay ng tisang yan.
Ano yata?
First and last name. First and last name. Wait lang po.
Alright, I got time. I'll wait for you.
I got time. I'll wait for you.
Kuya. Baka dumugo ilong namin talaga.
Na-split na ba? Na-split na?
Split na ba? Split na.
Sipon lang yan, babe. Hindi naman dugo yan eh.
Malay mo, lalabas. Charot.
Hindi ka mukhang Pilipino. Hindi ka mukhang Pilipino.
Half kasi ako, half.
Half kasi ako, half.
Half. Half siya,
Iingay naman na ning.
Half bulldog.
Bulldog.
For 132.
For 1, 3.
Okay, eto na. Assistant ko na.
Okay, eto na. Assistant ko na.
Wala si Ilan yan, kuya?
Kuya, patingin nung baka ibang account.
So, kayong tatlo, ha?
So, kayong tatlo, ha?
Yung tatlo
Tag 1K kayo, ha?
Tag 1K kayo, ha?
Ala! Kuya, totoo yan.
Kuya, is that
May
real?
pang-Shopee na ako, charot.
Is that real?
Kuya.
Ah, ito, send ko.
Kuya?
Send ka.
Tapos
Ah, ito na.
Kuya, pag mali na sundan.
May message talaga ka pa.
Kuya, I love you.
So much. Kuya, nakinginig ako. Totoo yan, ha?
Ay,
Hindi ba nakikita?
Hindi ba nakikita?
Kitang-kita, kuya. Kuya.
Okay.
Okay.
Ingat kayo, ha?
I love you.
Ingat kayo, ha?
God bless.
sige po.
God bless.
Thank you po.
Thank you, kuya. I love
Sige,
you.
sige.
Ni hao Fancy.
Sige.
Yeah, bye-bye. Peace.
Ni hao.
Yeah, bye.
Bye-bye.
Kita-kita lang sa YouTube.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, bye.
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 See you soon.
See you, see you.
Kuya, sana magkita pa
See you
tayo.
soon. Next year? Nasa
Sige,
US
kuya.
na kami.
Next year, hindi. This year, uwi ako.
This year, uwi ako.
Oh,
Uy,
kuya.
kuya, punta ka sa Zambales, ah.
Anong gagawin natin dyan?
Anong gagawin natin dyan?
Kuya, mag-Jollibee tayo. Treat kita.
Okay na. Namimiss ko na rin Jollibee. Namimiss ko na rin Jollibee.
Miss ko na rin Jollibee.
Yeah.
Sige, sige. Kita na tayo dyan.
Jollibee, kuya. Huwag ka
Kita na
mag-alala.
tayo dyan.
Yeah, bye. Ingat kayo, ha?
Sige po.
Sige,
Bye-bye
yeah.
po.
Bye, bye.
Thank
Peace,
you
God
po.
bless.
Peace, God bless.
Love you po.
Bye. Thank you very much. You know that I love money.
Oh, I was looking for you.
Hi!
Hey,
You're my idol. You're
Are
my
you idol?
Yeah. I
You're my
follow
idol. Oh, you want to follow me?
you. Yes.
I'm on YouTube right now. I'm recording.
Ano daw? What? Nag-record siya.
I'm recording right now.
Hi, bro.
Hey, how you doing?
We're from Philippines.
Oh, which part of the Philippines? Which part?
What's your name?
Is
What's your name in
Ano
TikTok?
Ano pangalan mo?
Isa.
Ita?
Ang aga-aga baka siyansihin ko yung gilagid mo dyan.
It's Isa.
Oh, Isa. Isa.
Yeah.
How about you? Ano pangalan mo?
I'm Grixus.
Krixus. Okay. What about you?
What's your name in the Facebook? Because I follow you. What is your name in the Facebook?
I'll tell you after. But first, you got to answer me 3 questions.
What? What?
You got to answer 3 questions first.
Okay, wait.
Number 1, what is the capital of the Philippines?
Kapitan? What? Kapitan? Wait. Ano? What ah? Ano pangalan?
What is the capital of the Philippines? You guys got to answer correctly all 3 so you can get a prize.
Just wait. Just wait. What name is in Afi?
What is the capital of the Philippines?
What? Capital of the Philippines.
What the capital?
One. What is the capital of the Philippines?
What the capital of Philippines?
Yes, that's my answer.
Manila.
Good job. There you go. All right, two more. Who is the national hero of the Philippines?
Lapu-Lapu.
Wrong. Wait a minute.
Oh, is that your final answer?
Yeah. What
Yeah.
the hero in
What is
Philippines?
the hero of the
National
Philippines?
hero of the Philippines.
Oh, wait lang.
10 seconds. 10, 9,
Wait. What the
8,
national hero in the
7,
Philippines?
6, 5,
Wait.
4,
Wait.
3, 2.
What?
What?
The national heroes in Philippines?
One hero. The one. Only one. The national hero.
The national hero?
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
What is the one national hero?
Stop it. Get some help.
What's your answer?
Jose Rizal?
Yes. There we go. Okay, last one. Who is the most famous bayani in the Philippines?
Was the famous bayani in Philippines?
Yeah. The most famous.
Jose Rizal.
No. It's Bayani Agbayani.
Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Bayani?
Bayani Agbayani.
Ibang trip to! Bad trip!
Bayani.
Jose Rizal. Again.
Bayani
Again.
Agbayani. He's the most famous Bayani. Bayani Agbayani.
Bayani and Bayani famous.
Yeah, do you know him? Bayani Agbayani?
Bayani and Bayani. Bayani and Bayani famous.
Can you speak in Tagalog?
Ano?
Again, what?
Can you speak in Tagalog?
Okay.
Okay.
Taga saan ka po? You say, guwapo ako. In Tagalog, you're handsome.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
In English, you're handsome. Guwapo ako.
Guapo ako.
Oh, yes, right. In English, handsome.
Maganda ka.
All right.
All right?
I'm beautiful, you said. Maganda ako.
Nice. All right, you guys won. You guys get a prize. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here's my YouTube channel.
Yay!
I put it on there. Famo.
Wait.
Wait a minute, Famo. Wait, Famo. I
Wait.
search.
Wait.
No.
They don't love you like that? Or
Yeah. Here?
yeah, that's me.
Subscribe. I said,
Yay. Thank you. One last question.
what?
Do you guys have Gcash?
Yes.
You have Gcash?
Yes. Wait a minute.
Oh, you don't have Gcash? All right. See you guys. All right. Bye.
Wait a minute. Ano ba? Kwarta ni mo.
Chat lang daw ang bal niya.
Kinis.
Amo niya?
Sir,
Wow,
ka mo alam
sige.
sila. Tingnan mo yung bulabo kita. Sa blonde ko dito. Kaya abo na.
09. Wait a minute.
Sorry, Tita. I'm just giving Gcash. Sorry.
You add me in a Facebook.
Hi.
Wait.
Beautiful.
Ay,
You're so
wait lang. Ano?
Oh. screenshot ko yung number. So, check natin kung pwede natin i-send later. Sayang. Okay. Okay na yung good yan. Kung nagustuhan nyo, alam nyo na kailangan nyo gawin. Like, subscribe, share, do all that jazz. You know what I mean? Peace.